Hi everyone, I'm DJ Murdertone. Welcome to my channel. This is my first episode of Back to Scratch School. I will be teaching y'all all the patterns that I've learned from basics to advanced. But on this episode, we will do the very foundation of scratching, which is the baby scratch. This pattern was invented by Theodore Livingston, better known as Grand Wizard Theodore. He is an American hip-hop DJ and widely credited as the inventor of scratching in 1975. But before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, the beat that you're hearing right now is made by my son Christian. He's really done a great job on this one. I would also suggest for you to put a mark on the label before the sample starts. In this case, I'm using the ah sound. Put the mark at a 12 o'clock position before the sample starts, so you know where to pull back the record. Okay, let's start. So the movement's gonna be very simple. It's just gonna be forward and backwards, and you're just gonna keep repeating it like this. This time I'm gonna do double time. Again, forward, backwards, forward, backwards. So that's it for this episode. It's a very simple pattern. I know y'all gonna learn it real quick. Again, thank you for watching and see you next time.